Hello everyone, today's recipe is a beef shank recipe called buche. It is a delicious traditional family recipe that you're going to love. In a pot, add 1 cup of oil, add 4 medium and 1 small onion sliced. Fry onions on high heat till golden brown. Stir often. Keep stirring. Once the onions are golden brown, add 2 pounds of boneless beef shank pieces one by one. Boneless beef shanks with less fat and big pieces. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger paste and add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. Stir to mix. The dry whole spices that you're going to need are 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds, 25 black peppercorns, 13 to 14 cloves, 3 black cardamoms, 3 star anise, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 4 bay leaves, 1 stick of cinnamon, 2.5 tablespoons of coriander powder, 5 to 6 cardamoms, and salt to taste. Add Kashmiri red chili powder and stir. Fry this for about 10 to 15 seconds. This gives the dish a beautiful color. Add all the dry spices. Stir to fry and mix all the spices for about a minute. Add 4 cups of water. Stir to mix. Put the pressure cooker lid on, and when the pressure is built in the cooker, reduce heat to low and cook for about an hour and a half or till the meat is tender. Please follow your own pressure cooker instructions. This is very important. Once the meat is tender, increase heat to medium and cook uncovered till the gravy thickens. When the gravy is thickened, add 1 cup of whipped yogurt. Stir to mix. Keep cooking. Stir frequently. Reduce heat to low. Cover and cook till the oil separates from the gravy. It's done! Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, comment and share. Enjoy! Thank you for watching Creative Moments. Bye!